Roarin relay. Tap start. Let's do this.
To win the gold in this game, the Claw Stars have to make it through 3 legs of an obstacle course. Good luck!
Okay, team.
Let's go.
Tap a dinosaur that can make it over those big walls.
This
Tap
one.
to move forward.
Tap to move forward.
That dinosaur wasn't big enough. Pick someone else.
Pick
Tap a
someone
dinosaur
else.
that can make it over those big walls. Tap to move forward.
Tap to move forward.
That dinosaur wasn't big enough. Pick someone else. Tap a dinosaur that can make it over those big walls.
Tiny Pteranodon or Ned Brachiosaurus.
Tap
Ned
to move forward.
It's a large dinosaur, colored orange, and has a long neck. He has a long neck. A large dinosaur has a long neck. Good job. Good job.
Here's the next part of the course. Tap a dinosaur that can run under those hurdles. Tap to move forward. Uh-oh. That dinosaur was too large to run under those hurdles.
Too large.
Don't give up.
Run
Pick
under these
another
hurdles.
dinosaur. Tap a dinosaur that can run under those hurdles.
This
Tap
one.
to move forward.
Buddy Tyrannosaurus. Tap to move forward. Yes! Good job. Last section.
Okay, team. Last section. We're almost to the goal. Tap a dinosaur that can fit through those small tunnels.
This
Tap
one.
to move forward. Oops, that dinosaur was too large to fit through those little tunnels. Try again. Tap a dinosaur that can fit through those small tunnels. Tap to move
Microraptor.
forward.
He's a Microraptor. I won.
And this triathlon is history, folks.
I won.
Claw Stars taking the gold. What an exciting game.
I won.